This is Wiley, a Wi-Fi home telephone, giving you and your family a simple way to call anyone, like friends and family, babysitters, even order takeout, all using your home internet.
Wiley was inspired by the traditional landline. You get your very own number and classic features like speed dial and voicemail, but also modern features like approved-only contact calling, enhanced 911, and a built-in spam blocker. With kiddos growing up quick, we started to realize that they're missing out on a key piece of childhood, where they could just call up a friend to play, or what it was like to get a call from their grandparents just for them without us as the in-between.
We want to help families stay connected in a way that feels safe and simple, without that extra pressure to get a cell phone too early. It puts things at risk like age-appropriate content, screen time, mental health, and even sleep.
About a year ago, we were headed out the door on a date and we realized the babysitter didn't have a cell phone. There wasn't a way to reach each other if something happened, or if we were running a little behind. So we looked at traditional landline services for the home. Turns out they're super expensive and our house was unserviceable. I designed products for a living, so I started tinkering and put together my own home phone prototype that worked right over the internet. With this first prototype, my kids used the speed dial to call me when I was working late at the office, and their grandparents told me they were now receiving more calls than ever from their grandchildren. All of our friends told me they wanted to create our own little community of kids and families calling each other. Here's how Wiley works. Plug it into power, connect Wiley to your Wi-Fi, create an account, and the line is active. Contemporary design with old school vibes. It sits on your counter or wall, wherever your family hub is in your home. Is this a real phone? Yes. Just pick up the handset and it's ready for a call. You get your own 10-digit home number. Send your new home number to your closest friends and family. So when Wiley rings, you know it's going to be good. Caller ID uses the National Registry to display who's calling, even if not in your contact list. Wiley automatically identifies and blocks spam calls, protecting you from scams like the 100th person calling to ask you about your car's extended warranty. Assign a physical address to your phone number so if 911 is dialed, first responders automatically know where to go, even if your child can't say the address. You and a neighbor can even instantly get an alert when 911 is dialed from Wiley, so even if you aren't home, you'll know something serious is happening and can take action. A speakerphone to go hands-free to chit-chat with Grammy as a group. Speed dial so everyone can quickly call the people you love most. Access all of your messages on Wiley and even have them forwarded to your email. You can even make your own family greeting. Oh, and by the way, this screen is lockable. Use Wiley's online portal to customize guardrails based on what's best for you and your family, like call history and monitoring. This isn't being snoopy, it's accountability and safety. Check if your kiddos are making planned calls like a pickup ride to soccer practice. Customize a call screen list to manage how calls from specific numbers are handled, like allowing calls to approved contacts only, or blocking certain contacts. Create a quiet hour schedule and one-click do not disturb, so your phone won't ring right after you've laid the baby down. At the moment, we're servicing phones within the USA and Canada, with phone and portal language support in English, Spanish, and French Canadian. You want service now? You got it. We're aiming to ship Wiley in 2026. So with that being said, you can get Wiley's home phone service soon, with Wiley's classic and limited vintage phone drops, like these Dreamboats. You get all the awesome Wiley features except no screen. You can still get caller ID, just set your Wiley to ring your cell phone at the same time. This is my 15th Kickstarter, and I've shipped rewards to over 30,000 backers. I partnered with an industrial designer, IT expert, found a world-class phone manufacturer, and services provider. This would not be possible, however, without Kickstarter. We need the funds to help make the molds and some simple engineering. We have everything mapped out, and with your help, this will come to life. In today's world of smartphones, maybe a dumb phone is smart parenting. Pick a pledge that fits you best, and thank you so much for watching.